Right now, we're seeing a notable drop in agriculture sentiment at -0.75, which is significantly below our historical baseline. This indicates a growing concern among stakeholders in the sector, particularly given that momentum is flat at +0.00. With 20 semantic clusters analyzing various sentiments, you can pinpoint exactly what's driving this negativity, be it weather conditions, market pressures, or policy changes. Imagine using our API to dynamically adjust your agricultural investments based on this sentiment data. For example, if you're considering a crop switch, understanding this negative sentiment could steer you toward more resilient options. You can explore how to integrate this data into your applications at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's get to work.